Hello viewers, this is Not Too Fast here. In today's video I will show you how to install a tint strip on your windshield. Some of you might call it a sun strip, but basically it's a strip of tint that you install at the top of the windshield. This will block the glare coming from the sun while you're driving. Now some cars already have this type of tint from the factory, but if your car doesn't have it, then your best option is to install a tint strip that I'll show you in this video. Before I begin, I want to talk about the shape of the tint strip that people install. If you look around, you'll often see shops install a tint strip that doesn't have a uniform height along the entire strip. And when you look at it, it looks like an upside down smile. The reason for that is because the shop is doing a quick install and they left the bottom edge straight. But if you look at any windshield, the line across the top actually curves up. In this video, I will show you an easy way to cut the proper curve so it'll give you a uniform height across the entire strip. The tint that I'll be using is this Gila Heat Shield Plus, and it's 20% visible light transmission. That means it will only allow 20% of the light to pass through. You can also get tint in 35% or 5%. 5% will be very dark. Some people call it limo tint. Now the size on this is 24 inch by 6.5 feet long. And you want something this long so it'll cover the entire length of the windshield. Now if you get one of this, you can actually do 2 or 3 cars. This film also reduces glare, scratch resistant, and blocks 99% of the UV lights. To make the install easier, remove the rearview mirror. Put a towel on your dash so you don't get any of the electronics wet. Here I have a slip solution made of water and a couple of drops of baby shampoo. First thing you want to do is clean the outside of the windshield. Next, roll the film out onto the windshield. Now you want to move the film so the bottom edge line up to the top of the windshield. Line up both sides so from the bottom of the tint to the top of the windshield is the same distance. Using a new sharp blade, follow the edge of the windshield and use as a template to cut the shape. Now move the film down. Now you don't want the tint strip to go past the AS1 mark that you see right here. Usually this is about 7 inches from the top of the windshield. Use a ruler to measure the height of the tint strip. Make sure both sides are the same. Once everything's lined up, do a second cut following the contour of the windshield. Now this will not be the final cut. The final cut is actually just above where the clear glass is visible. Now do the final cut around the top edge. You want to cut it just past a clear portion of the window where you see the black frame on the glass. If you have a hard time seeing where you need to cut, shine light underneath, and now you're able to see where you need to cut. Don't forget we also need to cut a hole for the mirror mounts. For the corner, we'll put it on a glass table and cut it with a straight edge. Here's a look at what the cut pattern looks like. Now clean the inside of the windshield. To separate the lining from the tints, put a piece of Scotch tape on both sides and pull it apart. Also spray the inside of the windshield where you'll be installing the tint strip. Squeegee the water out. Make sure you get all the water bubbles out. Here's a look at the finished install. You can see the tints just above the AS1 line. Here's a look from the driver's side. Using the same installation steps, I also installed a sun strip on my Honda Odyssey. Now this vehicle is actually easier to install than my Nissan Pathfinder because in the middle top of the windshield, there's a camera for the lane departure warning system. And with that, I was able to install two separate pieces, one for the left side and one for the right side. Here I'll show you the piece I cut for the passenger side. Right here is where I did the cut. So this tint strip actually covers this part of the dot matrix that you see right here. As you can see, it's not very difficult to install a sun strip on your front windshield. This will help reduce glare when you're driving, and I think it looks pretty good. You can pick up a roll of tint film like this for under $20. So even if you mess up the first couple of times trying it, it's not going to break your bank. If you have any questions or comments, leave one in the comment section. For a list of parts and tools used in this video, check out the links in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click on a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please click on the subscribe button to support this channel. Also click on the notification bell so you'll get notified of my new videos. Thank you and have an awesome day.